I'm just so overwhelmed that I can come out till I came up, and he's just giving me a shower, and I said, do you want to come outside with me for my wheelchair? And he said, yep. And Tim has been really good. He's always, and he helped me over the sticky parts in the wheelchair, but he made me persevere and to get yourself outside and get out and enjoy the sun, which I have been watching out the windows, out my window in my hospital room for the past 30 days. And yes, we thank God for watching over me and praying for me and answering my prayers. And I just want to thank the chaplain that came and just visited me in hospital today and prayed over me and gave the best wishes. And she was a lovely lady and full of just being there and just giving me time to chat.